Just two ingredients mixed, chilled, and ready. In one bowl, I'm using semi-sweet chocolate chips. I'll melt them. Meanwhile, in another bowl, I'll add whipped cream. I have about 400 grams here. I'm going to whip the cream until it turns firm. Here I have the melted chocolate. I'll mix it well. This is the sweet spot. We're now going to add our whipped cream. With the mixer, we'll combine the mixture. When it looks like this, it's ready. Now just move it to a container and add some chocolate chips on top to decorate. Once it's done, just put it in the freezer until it hardens. Look guys, how amazing this dessert is. It looks like chocolate mousse or ice cream. It's delicious, you can't resist it. Make it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed it. That was another recipe here from Pour in the Kitchen. A big hug, see you next time, and it was worth it.